Hi, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can make your living room look elegant with just using a few less expensive items. And I will be playing you some music and I will pause once I get to that piece and show you and tell you where I purchased that item from. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. And here is the reveal. Okay guys, let's start right here at my brass candlestick holders. Now this is brassy, these are very heavy, and this will bring class to any room in the house. So I decided to use those brass candlesticks holder along with this greenery and the black in this area. Okay, let's move along. Right here, I want to show you these new pieces that I have. My husband gifted these 2 items here to me. Well, he gifted more than 2, but I'm just using 2. Okay, and here's one of my other brass tray here. And I was surprised at the price of this bowl here. It is heavy, it is classy, and it is brass. Okay, so this will bring elegance to any area in your home. You can leave this bowl empty or add some decor in it to bring in some added touch to it. And this is what we have in this area right here. Okay, so let's move on to my DIY. Guys, I want to take some of the organic and bring it into my house, some of the nature outside. So I went about, I used these pine cones here. This is not the first time I used these in my home. And I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased this black chain link, and I got me some Rust-Oleum oregano paint, and I painted that. And this goes well with what I got going on in this space right here, bringing the nature outside into my home. And right along here, guys, are my magnolia bulbs. When my blossom fell off, I said I can and I will do something with these little what you call them, look like little artichokes, but they are not. So I didn't want to paint them oregano all over. I wanted some of that brownish to come through. So here you see where some of this brownish is coming through, and that's the way I like it. I didn't do the stems on these. Okay, so, and right along here, the only thing I used different was my gold chain that I broke, and so I'm just gonna use it here to bring a little classy in this area. Okay, and I think I supposed to, okay, I think I had this because I rearranged everything, because I was wondering why this was over there by itself. But anyway, this is what we're going to do. We're going to set that back there, and we're going to remove this. Now let's move along here. I purchased, see, I got 2 new pieces on this stand here, this display shelf. Now when I saw this vase here, I saw this at Ross. I did not get it the first time, but when I went back and I said, let me look up to see how much a little piece like this will cost, a high-end piece. And they went up to like $385. And I said, oh my goodness, I got to get this. And it was another lady standing beside me. She said, if you don't get it, I get it, because I told her how much it was when I looked it up. It ranges up to $385 for the real piece. Well, I didn't pay $385 for it. Guess what? I paid for it. I paid $16.99. So I was not going to let this piece here get away. It is so unique. And you can use it for just whatever. I don't want to put no stems in it. So I think it goes well standing alone. Comment below and let me know if you will put some stems in it, or will you just leave it as is. Okay, so here is another piece. This is not new, but I only used it a few times. I forgot I had it stashed away in my closet, okay? But anyway, I saw this piece as well. It is a ginger jar. I love the designs in it. And this piece here was, ta-da, $29.99. So that was a steal on this. I didn't get a chance to look this up to see how much it'll cost as a high-end piece, okay? And right up above there, I got my 2 new little candles stick holder. Okay, you can actually put the little small LED little candles in there. And this piece here is another piece from my husband. Now this here is an antique piece that he picked up. I'm not for sure how much this will actually cost. And right along here is another new piece that I picked up. I like the shape of this. I like little odd stuff, and I thought this was kind of odd here. And I like it because it's heavy and it's brassy and it's classy. So I picked this piece up from Ross for $7.99, and I'm gonna check and see how much will that cost at a high-end store. Okay, let's move on to this other new piece that I purchased. I like this because it's brassy also, and it's very unique. And I purchased this for $10.99, and I love that bowl. It can stand alone. It can make your home look elegant and classy. So there we have it right there. Okay, right there I just got another ginger jar matching the other one. And here's a new piece here that I picked up. I like this piece as well. It's kind of neutral, but you can also use it with many different decor, many other pieces. And I like the gold trim around the edge, around the top of it, the rim, and it looks classy. And I paid $9.99. This is a Tahari piece. I like Tahari pieces. They make some beautiful items. Right here is 2 more new pieces that I picked up. These are pillow covers, and I like the color of them. I like this little jar here. Now you can use this here for like farmhouse as well, but I liked it, so I purchased these from Temu. Now, okay guys, now here are the curtains that I have been waiting for. My first set got lost in the mail, so I got a refund from Temu because the curtain was coming from Amazon. Amazon did not update the tracking, and so Temu refunded my money back. But anyway, these are an olive green. I got 3 on this side and also 3 on that side. But I like these curtains. It's also giving my room that elegant look. They are 96 inches in length. So I appreciate you guys for watching, hanging in with me this far. Thank you so much for all of your support down through the years. Mary Precious would not have been who I am today without you. And don't forget to watch my shorts at the end of this video. You can click on it, click on the playlist, and you can go from short to short watching my shorts. Okay. Alright guys, so I will see you in the next video. And don't forget guys, I will be uploading other videos, and if you want to be notified, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you have not done so at this time. Hit the notification bell and you will be notified each time when I upload another video. Leave me a comment, and guys, please don't leave without giving me a thumbs up. If you don't do anything else before you leave, give me a thumbs up. And that'll let YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my videos. Alright, so I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.